Lately, students around BCMS have been needing to use the BCMS student printer in the library. So next time you need to print, follow these simple steps. First, go on your Chromebook and go to the document that you would like to print. Next, press the print button in the top left corner of your document or press Ctrl P on your computer. Then, you should see a printing window pop up on your screen. When you see the printing window, select the drop-down next to Destination and then click See More. Next, go to the search bar and type Student. Next, select Find Me Student and make sure it's not Follow Me Student. Then, press Print. If this is your first time printing, a new window should pop up. If so, log in with Google and head over to the printer. When you get to the printer, select ID number on the screen. Then, type in your lunch number on the keyboard next to the printer screen. Next, log in. And then, press Release. Next, select the document that you want to print and then press the green print button at the bottom of the screen. Lastly, go to the side of the printer and wait for your document to print. Now you know how to use the BCMS student printer.